If you're on the hunt for a solid alternative to Microsoft Office, you might want to check out ONLYOFFICE. But does it really hold up against the big players? Let's dig into the details and see if it's worth your time. ONLYOFFICE is an office suite that offers a range of tools for document editing, spreadsheets, and presentations, all designed to work seamlessly in a collaborative environment. Right off the bat, the interface feels familiar, especially if you've used other Office suites. The layout is clean and navigating through documents is intuitive, making it accessible for most users. One standout feature is its strong emphasis on collaboration. You can easily share documents with others and edit them in real time, which is great for teams. The suite also includes a built-in chat feature, so you can communicate with your collaborators without leaving the document. However, while the core functionalities are solid, some users might find the lack of advanced features compared to Microsoft Office a bit limiting. For instance, certain complex formatting options and templates feel less robust. Overall, ONLYOFFICE seems to cater well to small to medium-sized teams, but may leave advanced users wanting more. When it comes to the pros, ONLYOFFICE shines with its collaborative features and user-friendly interface. It's also a cost-effective solution, especially for teams looking to avoid Microsoft's subscription fees. On the flip side, some frustrations might arise from the limited advanced features. Users who rely heavily on complex tools may find that ONLYOFFICE doesn't quite meet their needs. Additionally, while the suite is generally stable, there have been occasional reports of performance hiccups during heavy use. Trust is another concern. While ONLYOFFICE is open source, some may still hesitate due to its relatively smaller user base compared to giants like Microsoft. In summary, it could be a great fit for casual users or small teams, but larger organizations might want to explore other options. In conclusion, ONLYOFFICE is a strong contender for anyone seeking an affordable Microsoft Office alternative, especially for collaborative projects. However, if you need advanced features or are part of a larger organization, you might want to look elsewhere. Still, it's worth trying out if you're looking for something fresh and budget-friendly.